Hey everybody, Frank Sullivan, Mad Scientist here. I wanted to show you a very interesting experiment here. And before I do, I wanted to acknowledge Russell Martin, who gave me this thought. I did this years ago, and he was talking about it, and I decided to pick it back up, and this thing is so cool. Anyways, a lot of people call this cold fusion. Some people call it other things. But what it does is it burns in the water itself at roughly 10,000 degrees, and it creates a magnetic gas called Magnagas. So in later, I'm going to develop a little something in there to capture the gas and test it out. It's 3 batteries here, 36 volts, and I'm going to hook this thing up, and we'll give it a try and see if I can capture it on film here, which I think I should be fine. It's got to be very careful now. Get ready for this. Let's see. Ooh, whoa. Okay. Woo. That's a reaction. Quite a reaction. Anyways, it creates quite a violent reaction and massive amounts of gas real fast. So this is all fun. This is just my test unit. I have to build a little more secure system so I can incrementally get it closer and closer to each electrode, and just make it a little better. I just wanted to make sure everything working out fine. Proof of concept, it does the job. So on to making a better system and collecting the gas and seeing if it's magnetic. Okay, test 1, 36 volts, 3 batteries, and we'll hook up the positive here. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay. Now, the theory goes, just so you might get a general idea about this. When you first start this up, the 2 electrodes will start doing electrolysis. You'll see hydrogen, oxygen coming off them. As soon as they get a little bit closer, the heat is so intense, it starts burning the hydrogen as it goes. And it also ionizes the water. Now, if I ran this even longer, it would go from one glow to a stabilization glow of something else. What it is rather intriguing. It takes all the ionization in the water and fuses it with the hydrogen, making helium. Once it does that, it goes into such a interesting hyper state. It's essentially, this is what stars do. I mean, literally stars, and we're recreating this in a lab test experiment. So this is a very intriguing type of invention that you can do here at home, and I'm here at my laboratory in my living room. And also, the gas coming off of it is pretty interesting gas. It's similar to either propane or natural gas. So it's ideal for burning in generators or whatever type engine you want. And the production rate is immense. So later experiments, I would love to try to take my generator, hook it up directly, and do it on demand, and literally take the battery power out and plug it into the generator. So I got a lot more experimenting to do, but so far success. It works as advertised.